I'm inside today because outside is miserable. We have made a ton of progress on this project. We do have concrete, which I'll show you in a second. The framing crew have got the fireplace dialed in there. Oh, Richard's trying to get by. Windows have now been installed. Windows have been supplied from Vinyltek, very good quality window. We have begun to apply plywood to the subfloor here because the shiplap tends to be quite squeaky. So this is the next best thing we can do other than actually ripping out all of the shiplap and starting from scratch. Okay, we're now in the primary bedroom of our Upperland project here. Let's go and have a look around and see what's going on. Follow me. So walking towards the bathroom is the wonderful walk-in closet. You can't really tell what it's like without travel in, but you know, it is what it is. And then coming back here, this will be where the lavatory is. We'll have a lovely drop-in tub right there, double sink vanity there, and a shower room there. Down the hallway. And so got these amazing vaulted ceilings. This will be the gym. Beautiful rainy day outside. Looking good, nice and clean, just how we like it. All right, so we are now in the basement. Concrete is poured. Looking great. A heck of a lot better than the gong show that was here before. Trying to deal with some water that being annoying underneath the main floor in the crawl space, but these are all solvable problems. Really starting to come together. It'll be fun to show you what's going on next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day.